What's the next section?
I am this. No,
Chapter.
Yeah, you're not in it.
Oh, yes.
That's so cool.
Yeah, what you see here is the cell membrane here, okay?
Is that really?
Phospholipid bilayer, right? This is another cell membrane. What you see here is a microorganism or a protist. You see those tiny little things? Those are the cilia. They are helping human
Oh, that's so
movement. And you see the membrane stretching. So the membrane is flexible and allows unicellular, which are single-celled organism, to move. My that thing is not working. I cannot somehow calibrate it, so I have to walk back and forth. Okay, what is homeostasis? Keeping the internal environmental conditions constant, right? It's also called equilibrium. When the concentrations are of solute are the same inside as outside of the cell or in the environment, that's equilibrium. And this equilibrium is maintained by a plasma membrane, which controls, since plasma membrane is selectively permeable, so it controls what goes into the cell and what goes out of the cell. You guys need more light or it's okay?
Wait,
Okay.
can you go back for a second?
Is this coming out of quiz? Will our quiz now be?
No. The quiz will be only on chapter 4.
Section 3.
Test, this is me.
Oh, chapter 4.
So this is for the test.
This is for the test. Okay, the functions of plasma membrane. It's a protective barrier, keeps the cell interior cytoplasm and organelle safe, regulates transport in and out of cell. It means it is selectively or semi-permeable, allows cell recognition. What was that? We talked about it. Yes.
The proteins that are on top of the cell membrane is a glycoprotein.
No.
Those are glycoproteins, yes.
Wasn't it the receptor protein?
Glycoproteins.
And,
The recognition of the
and they
glycoproteins.
act as labels.
Yes, yes. And the membranes, they provide anchoring sites for filaments of cytoskeleton. Who can tell me the three major parts of or three constituents of cytoskeleton? Simon?
Microtubules, intermediate filaments, and microfilaments.
Very good. Yes. Oh, so I told you have quiz tomorrow, so you guys have prepared for it.
Yeah.
That's great.
Doesn't
Yes.
the
It says it provides anchoring sites for filaments, but not tubules.
Yeah, the cytoskeleton, whichever reaches up there.
No, but
Yeah.
does it include?
Yeah.
Does it include tubules too?
It will include, tubules as well. Anything with cytoskeleton which goes up to the cell membrane. Okay, provides a binding site for enzymes. Also interlocking surfaces, they bind cells together. These are the junctions which your book did not talk about. You have tight junctions, you have plasmodesmata, those are the junctions or how the cells communicate with each other. Tight junctions are in animal cells, and plasmodesmata are only in plant cells. The cell membrane or plasma membrane, it covers or it surrounds the cytoplasm. Yes.
Are the first and second one, they're definitely related, but are they sort of the same thing?
First and the second one?
Yeah.
No,
They're not?
no.
Okay.
Could you spell the junction for the plants?
Plasmodesmata? Plasmodesmata.
You
But
need to know that.
What is that?
this is the junction on the plant cells. You do not need to know it. You do not need to know it.
Dr. Baja,
Yes,
what are junctions?
junctions are the places where the two cells communicate with each other. How the cell from one cell, the things they move to the next cell. So they
Is
are
that like, would like a
It's like
axon terminal be a junction?
Huh?
The axon, or is that different?
Would like one of those proteins on the cell membrane, wouldn't that be considered a junction since two cells combine together? But viruses can also no.
Dr. Basra?
Junctions are just the cells. The cells from the same tissue. Like how are they communicating with each other?
Oh, okay.
So just how cells communicate with each other?
Yes, through cells communicate with each other through the junctions. Oh, huh? The class is over?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there should be a part on the slide.